Advanced option for beginners. Palantir stock dropped. Buy, hold or sell. In this video, I'm going to tell you how I use advanced option to generate profit in 5,000 in one day, and from January 1st to yesterday, February 21st, I generated over 112,000. Palantir stock dropped 13.96% over the past 5 days. Year to date, it stayed up 34.85%, and 5 years is up 1,000. So lots of people will be thinking, hey, is it a good day buy opportunity, or should I wait, or should I hold? I'm going to tell you a better strategy, and I'm going to tell you why it dropped and what's the main reason, and should we be worried about it. Palantir stock dropped because CEO said he's gonna sell more shares. And initially, previous plan, he planned to sell 48.9 million shares. So in 2024, he already sold 40.7 million. So now he reversed the plan, right? The remaining is about 8.2 million shares. So he reversed up to 9.97 million. So it's about 1.7 million shares more than previously planned. And not only that, Palantir CEO sold his stocks, $2 billion stock in 2024. And Palantir, one of the shareholders, sold 1 billion in 2024 last year. CTO also sold 400 million, and Stephen Cohen, co-founder, also sold 130 million. Remember, shareholders, they can sell their shares for many reasons. The time he was selling his shares, it was only $40 per share. Now it's over $100, right? So all the CEOs, all the managements and founders, they have to have a plan to sell the shares, to let the public know that how much they are selling. They cannot be selling the shares secretly behind our back, and that's going to be insider trading. So they have a specific plan. Does it worry me? No, not at all. Because if you own a company this big, hey, it's very normal for you to sell the shares, and maybe they could be using this money to buy a new house, to start a new company. It can be anything. It doesn't mean that there's something wrong with the company, right? But there's only one reason why shareholders, the management, buy their shares, because they think that it's going to be going up later. So when they sell their shares, it can be a number of reasons, right? I'm not worried at all. And another reason why Palantir's stock dropped was because Trump administration told Pentagon to cut budget for the defense. It's quite a change. Usually Republicans like to spend lots of money in defense, and this is Trump 2.0. He wants to change the policy now. So yeah, everybody got surprised. Hey, Palantir has lots of contracts with government. Now the government is trying to cut the budget. So could Palantir be affected? I think it can be both ways, because Palantir is an AI software. So if the government is looking to maximize their return by using less resources, if Palantir platform can give them opportunity to maximize their return with little resources, they're gonna invest in Palantir technology, right? So it can be both ways. So am I worried? No. But is it a good time to buy? Honestly, personally, I think Palantir is overvalued. In my opinions, intrinsic value is only about $40–50. That's my target price. But it doesn't mean that you have to wait to miss out the gain. There is a much better way than buying their own shares. Normally, amateur investors, they just want to dip buy. They said it, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to tell you my secret. One of my secret strategy. Palantir, I'm gonna be selling put options. So that's one of my advanced option strategy. So what does it mean? Usually people buy put option because they are afraid that stock gonna go down. So Palantir could be going down if they reverse their trend. So they're gonna buy put options. So I'm the put option seller. February 28 and before, you can come and sell your Palantir shares, one of the shares at any time on or before February 28. And let's say I have $10,000, but you know what, I'm not gonna pay 10,000. I'm only because it's overvalued, right? So I'm gonna wait. So I'm willing to pay $95 per share. In case Palantir stock drop $90, $80, it doesn't matter. On or before February 28, you can come and sell your shares, one of the shares to me anytime. And I'm gonna buy at $95 per share. So one of the shares. So in exchange for that, you just pay me $176. Right? 1.76 multiplies with 100 shares, $176. So every week I can keep doing that. You know, probably next week I'm gonna go down, maybe sell $90. You know, because if Palantir starts going down, so I could keep going down my strike price, and I could keep generating the profit, you know, weekly profit, $176. Let's say $176 every week, right? Divided by 9,500 is the 100. How much is the return? It's 0.185 return for every week. So how about 52 weeks? Within 1 year, my return is gonna be 9.63%. So not bad, not bad. So it's really good. $176 multiply 52. How much is a profit? 9,152. So 9,152. If I use only 9,500, right, regularly. Remember, this money, I don't need to give it to anybody. I can keep it, right? I can keep it anytime as long as the Palantir stock doesn't drop below 9,500. So in that case, how much is my return for 1 year? 96%. It's very good, 96%. Palantir stock return 1 year 329%, right? So let's say I also own 100 shares of Palantir. So in that situation, how much will my return be? Plus 329.8. So potentially my return is 426%. So 5 times my capital. So that's a strategy I'm going to keep using. I prefer not to invest in overvalued stock, but I could keep using advanced option trading to generate money without having to put my own money. So let's say after 1 year, it never drops below my strike price. So how much am I getting after 1 year? Every week, let's say $176, right? So we already calculated $176. So after 52 weeks, I got 9,152. So that means that I could use that money to buy Palantir stock if it dropped 90s at the end of the year, right? So it's free money, right? You generate profit by selling put options using advanced option, and using that profit you buy Palantir shares. So that means that even if Palantir company goes bankrupt, it doesn't matter because you're using the money from the stock market to invest in stock market. That's pretty smart, right? So that's one of my secret strategy. So if you want to learn more, you can go to my channel, Master Rich Stock Option Crypto. Go to my playlist. If you want to have a mentorship call with me to discuss, to learn from me, the link is gonna be in the description and comment down below as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Happy trading, happy profits.